Right now we're going to focus on the value of R, okay? There it is. And where it says how accurate is your line, we're going to say R is approximately 92, 0.92. Well, you should agree that 0.92 is very, 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 very close to 1. Now, what does that mean? It's close to a positive 1. That means it's a pretty strong correlation. In other words, it's going to be good for predicting. Ready? Good equation for predicting. All right? Now, let's write the equation, make sure you've got it. We write y equals your slope. Your slope was the a value, so 0.09x plus the b value of 2.53 when we round. This is what we call the model. A model is just a fancy word for equation. Now let's answer part B. Based on your linear model of y equals 0.09x plus 253, how much would you expect to pay in 2020? Remembering, please, that 1997 was year 0, 2020 is year 23. So we need to plug in 23. Y equals 0.09 times plug in 23 plus 253. And let's predict the outcome. So 0.09 times 23 plus 2.53, about $4.60 in 2020. So there you go, guys. Prices just continue to increase for you, huh? And that, remember, it's a prediction. So your homes are going to be about $142,000, and you're going to be paying about $4.60 for a gallon of milk. On the next page, we're going to do this one more time, but this time it's of 2% milk, okay? Otherwise, it's the exact same problem, and we're going to predict 2025. So just watch the calculator one more time. Ready? You hit Stat, Edit. If I let 1997 equal year 0, remember that means that 1998 is going to be year 1. So all of my years in my calculator are fine. What I need to do is change the value of the milk. Alright, I'm going to put that right there so you can see. 257, this is for 2% now. 283, 293, 293 again. 310 and 371. Alright, this is for 2%. I'm going to do stat calc 4. Okay, I've got my new equation. I'm going to write my new equation down. You ready? Y equals my slope of 0.09x plus my y-intercept of 2.45. This is going to be fairly accurate. Okay, it's 0.91 accurate down there, R. And I need to plug in, let's see, so what would year 2025 be? If 1997 is 0, 2025 is year 28. I'm going to plug that in. Now remember, this is for 2% milk. 2% milk is usually just a little bit cheaper. So 0.09 times 28 plus 245. We are going to predict that, now remember, this is in year 2025. We're going to predict that the price of milk is $4.97. Okay, what you are going to do is, I know this part says go home and research, yours says something else. I want you to research different points that we could use to plot together. Maybe you want to look up average arm length and the height of a person. If you're having trouble, you are going to Google real life correlation points or real life correlation items.